Hello everyone, here is a vlog and I will be trying to sign and talk at the same time. Sometimes it's hard, but I will try my best because I always try, and that's what matters. Try. Effort is very important. It's very nice and good to be a kind person. So here's my vlog. My name is Jessica, but my name for a nickname, people and friends call me Karma. And this vlog, you can find me on different pages. Here's the information. I like to share about just people being nice, teaching the world how to be kind. And I want to help the deaf and the hearing. I want to help people feel comfortable. I want to help each other understand better. And here's different ways you can support me, or if you're interested and need help with positivity. Facebook. That's a Facebook group. It's for community and the public. So that group, that group is for helping with positivity, and if you have art you can share it there, but in the group please do not sell. That's the one rule. Thank you for respecting that. Thank you. You can also find me here on YouTube and Facebook pages. If you support people here on earth respecting each other and peace, and you feel like you just want people to be happy and nice to each other, you can help. Just be yourself. That's why I'm colorful and loud. I know it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to read the signs. I understand, but I like color, so thank you for respecting me. I also want to teach the deaf and hearing what P.L.U.R.R means. P.L.U.R.R. What's that? P means peace. L means love. U means together, work as one, like community work together. R, respect. Respect me, I respect you. Second R, responsibility. So P.L.U.R.R. I want to teach the world. I can. I want to help all of you learn, and I'm here to help you learn. Another way to support me, or if you want to help spread P.L.U.R.R, Instagram. I also sell my art there, so that's more for like if you want to help support me and buy my art. But if you want more positivity in your life to help your spirit. Thank you. And on most people have Facebook. I have a Facebook art page, but Facebook is hard sometimes. There's lots of changes. So for my art, if you want to buy from me, it's best Instagram. But I do have a Facebook, but I maybe will off on Facebook. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. That's to buy art from me if you enjoy it or want to help me. That's Facebook. And last, what? If you want to help me, you can't buy anything because you can't afford it. I understand, I respect, and thank you for helping. If you can't buy anything from me, it's okay, I understand. If you want to buy art and necklace and jewelry in the future, thank you for wanting to help and understand that I love art. But here's the last for how to help spread peace, love, unity, work together, our respect me, our responsibility and balance. Thanks for your support. Have a wonderful day.